Welcome back to Brown Girl Bella, where I bring you lips, lashes, and luxury. Want to find out how I did this completed look? Just stay tuned because we're going to be diving into the new Natasha Denona, her new mini retro palette, and her new mini bloom highlighting blush. Want to see these babies in action? Just stick with us. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the face already halfway done. I used all of my skincare. I also put on a little bit of foundation, bronzer. I started priming my eyelids, and of course my brows are done. So we're ready to dive into the Natasha Denona Mini Retro Palette. As always, this is how it comes. 5 beautiful shades that I cannot wait to dive into. I'm going to actually start with the mini booster, and I'm going to go into this color right here, and that color is called 60s. So we're going to go into 60s. Does have some kick up in the pan, but that's okay. We're going to start bringing this in, and I'm excited that it is very pigmented. It's showing up already on my lid with the first tap and the first blend. So I'm very happy to report that at least this color is brown girl friendly. I love that this mini booster by Sonia G is making such light work of the blending process. I really do love these brushes. They are so beautiful. And it takes so little effort to get them to blend that it almost doesn't even feel like work anymore. To blend my eyeshadows out. It really doesn't. So on the lid, I'm going to take my other Sonia G brush. This is the flat definer, and I'm going to go into Vintage Taupe, which is this color right here. Again, go in with a light hand because the colors are very soft. And then we're going to put that right on the lid. This color is so pretty. I'm actually just going to tap it lightly because I want all of that beautiful sparkle to be on the eye. Using that same brush, wiping off the color I just used and going in with Pixie, which is this color right here. We're going to take that to the front portion of the eye and just tap that right over what we did. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go back to that we used 60s, and I'm just going to put that right on the lower lid and just smoke that lower lash line out. Before I finish off the eyes, I'm going to go into the Natasha Denona Mini Cheek palette. This is the highlighting blush. And I love this cute little packaging. Isn't this darling? So cute. And then this is the highlighting blush. I'm going to use the same bronzer brush, just wiping off all of the excess and dipping that in and just depositing that right on the high points of my cheek. I love this color. So pretty. Lashes. All right, typed it off with a little bit of Elson by Mother Pat. This is what it looks like. But this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed it. I have to say, first impressions, I love these two products. They are very, very, very good. First blush, I think they are very good for brown girls. I think it's very brown girl friendly. I'm going to enjoy very much playing with these, and I hope you do too. If you bought them, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're not going to buy them, also hit me up in the comment section below and let me know why. Until next time, you've been Bellafied.